Hi, Kathya here. We're coming to New Orleans. I've never been there. I'm looking so forward to it. It's a 10-day residency where we're working with many different elements of transpersonal dance, breathwork, and so on. But let me explain you this one is the family constellation. It is a kind of dance drama, because I can't say psychodrama, so it's psycho dance movement place where you experience, where you choose to understand an experience that happened within your family, and the different people in the group takes the different places where you place them, and it's like a constellation. It works, but we're not often doing it with voice, we are doing it with movement. So it's quite impressive to see the expression in the body of the stories that has happened into your in your personal life. So that is usually done with one person is in the center, tells the event that wants to be expressed. Different people choose to be the different element with the guidance of the person whose the story is. So it's not about inventing whatever you want, but it's really representing what the person explain and guides you to it, and then you put it in motion, hopefully with some drumming in the background, live drumming. And it's quite a process to witness. It's a process to participate as well, because I don't know if everybody gets a turn, but it's a real community support to support whoever is busy doing their constellation. So I hope to see you there. It's at the Tigermen Den in the BYWATER. You can phone me, you can register online where you can maybe see a little bit more about it, and you can email me if it's needed with some question prior to the time. But we very much hope to see you there. It's a very powerful, exceptional thing to be part of. It really is a community builder, and as our theme is belonging, that fits really well with this type of workshop. I hope to see you there.